our reading lesson today is on our vocabulary strategy of root words. We haven't practiced or used root words since the first unit, first week of school. So it's been a while since we practiced this. So let's review what root words are. So a root word is the part of a word that carries the meaning. Root words are usually from different languages, and they help us understand the meaning of the whole word. There are three parts to a word: the prefix, the base or the root word, and the suffix. Not all words have each part or each of these parts. A root word can be each of these parts. So let's look here. Here's our root word. We could have the prefix, we could have the base, and we can have the suffix. Now, to figure out a new word, you need to separate the root word from the ending or the suffix, or the beginning, the prefix. So look at each of these words, and then we're going to draw a line between the root word and the ending. So if you look at this one, playable, I would draw the line to separate the root with the suffix between play and a ball. So with my pencil, I would draw a line between those two. Now, I need to think, what is the definition of playable? Well, play is a verb, but if you add a ball to it, it now means able to play. So playable is able to play. So for example, the football player was hurt, so he wasn't able to play, but now he's healed and he is playable. The coach is able to play him. So whenever you see able, that means able to, and then your verb. The next example is quickly. Now my base word is quick, that's a verb, and then ly. Now what does that mean? Ly means in a way. So quickly means in a quick way, in a quick way, okay? The next example is jumped. Jump is my verb, that's my root word. And then when I add ed, that means it already happened. So it's in the past. So like I already jumped. Runs, that is my verb. My root word is run. If I add an S to it, that means it's happening now. So runs now. The last example is careful. My root word is care. And then I have full. When I add full to that, that means full of. So like full of care. So careful is full of care. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to practice these root words and their meanings on a worksheet for today. So make sure you find your worksheet that looks like this. It's page 188. And Mrs. Murphy's going to fix it so you can see both of them on my Clever Touch. Okay, so name at the top, and in the box it says a root word is a word to which other word parts are added. Read each sentence. You are going to circle the root word in bold print. Then write the meaning of the word in bold print. So I will do 2 of these with you, and then the rest I want you to do on your own. You can also look at this example, and for my remote learners, I'll make it bigger in a minute so you can see it, and then you can also pause it. So number 1 says, I have a workable plan to take the fire. Now, I am going to circle the root word. So look at this bold print word, which is workable. My root word is work. So I'm going to circle work. Then the second step is to write the meaning of the word in bold print. So if I look at a bull over here, a bull is able to. So I'm going to write on the first line, able to, and then I'm going to take my root word, work, able to work. So workable is able to work. My second one says, follow me very quietly. Now, if I look at the bold print word, quietly, my root word is quiet. So I'm going to circle quiet. And then my suffix is ly. So what does ly mean? I'm going to look over here. Ly means in a way that is. So quick way. So this would be a quiet way. So we're going to take our root word quiet, and when we add ly to it, it just means way, a quiet way. Okay? Now you're going to finish numbers 3, 4, 5 on your own. For my remote learners, I'm going to make this really big for you. So if you need to use this part of the board to help you with the meaning of the root words, you can certainly do that in the suffixes. Okay? Make sure you get this done. When you're done with it, hand it in. Remote learners, keep this in a safe spot so you can hand this in for next week.